Hello, how are you doing today? I hope that you're doing well. My name is Curtis. You're watching Positive Breaks, where we stay positive and break open something new. So today in this video, I am going to bust open a package from Maintained. You guys have all seen me open the products before. It is a startup out of Canada. They decided to do a crowd-sourcing new beard care company, and I have just loved everything from them. So without further ado, I think that's a pretty good intro myself, a pretty good endorsement for the company. This is not sponsored. It is just a company that I really enjoy. So let me spin this camera around. Let's bust open this package and I'll show you what I picked up. Right here is the package from Maintained. I've ordered from them in the past, so the name might sound familiar. Let's go ahead and bust into it and see what we've got. Bumping the camera. Sorry about that. Alright, got that open. Cat's over here eating out of a food bowl, so you hear chomping. That's my silly cat. So hi, Briny Sue. Nice. So one fun thing about Maintained is that they include this fun newspaper in all of their packages. Talks about some tips on how to maintain your beard. And yeah, it's really fun reading. Maybe look at that later. But let's see what some things that I ordered. I picked up their Maintained Mane Wash. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be a teeny tiny bottle, but this is definitely exceeding my expectations. Let's see what type of things I might say in here. Alright, so wet your beard, shake the bottle, pump the wash, massage, rinse, and oil. Alright, I am excited to give this wash a try. Set this over here. Alright, now what we got in here? This is some beard butter. The Maintained Mane Butter. Cedar, leather, and vanilla. Beard butter. Alright, there you go. Here's a QR code to get to the website. I'm trying to take a look at what some of these packaging notes say. Grapeseed oil, coconut oil, beeswax, shea butter, argan oil, jojoba oil, and a couple other items in there. Pretty cool. So I'm excited to give this a smell and a try. Fun little twist off lid. I've seen them where they twist off. I've also seen some of these packages where they pop off. So really fun. And I couldn't remember if I ordered one or if I ordered two. I picked up, looks like the gray-black combo again. And these are washable, reusable, and breathable. Some new beard-friendly masks. Like I picked up the extra large this time, so it'll cover more of my beard. And yeah, I'm really excited about these. These are my favorite beard mask styles. Easy to use, easy to breathe. There we go. So I picked up empty box. I'll show that to you. The two new beard masks. The beard butter, main butter, and the main wash. I'm excited to give these suckers a try. Hey, so welcome back. Full disclosure, this segment and the very first segment, the intro, was filmed a day or so later. I have had a chance to try that wash, and man, it is spectacular. It is truly unscented. You know, sometimes unscented things still kind of smell like the ingredients in it. I mean, they're not, what some products mean by unscented is no added scent. But man, this product, this Maintained Beard Wash, main wash, it really doesn't have a smell. I'm amazed. I don't know how they do it, but it doesn't have a smell. And it leaves left my beard today. I washed today, feeling really, really good. And I almost want to pull up this beard butter. Oh man, it smells so good. It says on here cedar, leather, vanilla. I smell all of those things, but what it smells like to me is just like, it feels weird saying this, but it just smells like a successful person. Like, I picture myself someone like in a suit, maybe in an office. Maybe the leather is like leather boots, like they're leather loafers, or a nice like leather wallet. I don't know. I don't know how to explain it. I don't know if that helps give you a picture of what it smells like, but it just smells to me like an experienced, well-traveled man. I just love it. It's just such a great, amazing smell. And I wanted to show you this mask. I opened up the mask. I haven't really worn it anywhere yet, but I opened it up wearing my Pedal the Cause shirt. Right, I like to ride my bike for cancer research. But anyways, so I just wanted to hold it up here so you can see how big it is. This is the biggest size I think they make, the extra large. So you can see that it fully covers my beard. I even got a little room to grow. Here's my beard down to here. And that's how it looks. So anyways, I have the smaller size in my car. It goes to about here. I should have gone and grabbed it, but I didn't, so my apologies. And it covers my beard. I don't know if you can get my beard up here to about right here. Just this teeny tiny bits hanging out. So I decided to get the next size up. Really enjoy these beard masks, these main guards as they're called. They are comfortable to wear. They just kind of cinch it in back. They're not pulling on your ears. They're not pushing on your beard back there. They're just really, really fun. So, if you have any questions, feel free to leave me a comment down below. I know that Vinny over at Maintain, Build a Beard Co., whichever avenue you want to reach out to him, he is the most helpful person in the world, so he'll be happy to answer any questions you have as well. So I will leave down in the description below links to Vinny's Instagram channel, Build a Beard Co., and I'll also leave a link down to the Maintain website. Again, this isn't sponsored. I'm just doing this out of the goodness of my heart because I really enjoy this company. I really enjoy the products they've been putting out and just the initiative of it being kind of crowdsourced, but social media sourced. It's been so much fun to be a part of that and to help make some of these decisions. So without further ado, without further ending, without any more to say, I'm just rambling now, but I will let you go. My name is Curtis. Positive Breaks. Stay positive, break open something new. See ya.